When most people buy a car, they think about the color, the features, maybe even the horsepower. But here's a question that really matters. Will it last? In 2025, some cars are built to impress for the first few years, but then start falling apart once the warranty ends. Others, though, are engineered to keep running strong for decades, racking up 200,000, 250,000, even 300,000 miles if you maintain them properly. These are the cars trusted by taxi drivers, fleet operators, and everyday families who simply can't afford breakdowns. They're not always flashy, but they're built with rock-solid engineering, proven reliability, and parts that just keep going. So today, we're breaking down 7 cars in 2025 that are capable of lasting 300,000 miles or more. Vehicles that will outlive trends, hold their value, and give you peace of mind for years to come. Number 7. Toyota Land Cruiser. The Land Cruiser has always been legendary for its durability, and the all-new 2025 model keeps that reputation alive. Built on Toyota's TNGAF platform, the same foundation used for the Tundra and Sequoia, it's engineered with heavy-duty components meant to withstand decades of punishment. What makes it a 300,000-mile vehicle is not just the engine, but Toyota's attention to reliability across every system. The new hybrid-assisted Turbo 4 might raise eyebrows, but Toyota's track record with hybrids is second to none. Combined with the fact that the Land Cruiser is overbuilt for rugged terrain, it means the vehicle spends less time in the shop and more time on the road. For buyers who keep up with basic maintenance, oil changes, fluid checks, and proper servicing, this SUV can easily cross the 300,000-mile mark. That's why Land Cruisers worldwide are often seen still running strong after 20-plus years. While the Land Cruiser is built like a tank, the next car proves you don't need a giant SUV to achieve legendary longevity. Number 6. Honda Accord. The Honda Accord has long been the benchmark for midsize sedans, and in 2025, it continues that legacy. Known for its bulletproof engines and transmissions, the Accord regularly hits 200,000 miles with minimal issues, and with proper maintenance, many owners report them lasting well past 300,000. One reason is Honda's engineering philosophy: simplicity and reliability first. The Accord avoids overly complicated tech that could break down, while still offering modern safety and comfort features. Whether you pick the gas version or the hybrid, both drivetrains have proven reliable over years of testing and consumer use. What sets the Accord apart is not just its mechanical durability, but also its affordable ownership costs. Parts are easy to find, servicing is straightforward, and mechanics are familiar with the model. That means fewer repair surprises and more years on the road. But if you need an SUV that can handle family life, road trips, and still survive 300,000 miles, the next pick is one of the safest bets on the market. Number 5. Toyota Highlander Hybrid. The Toyota Highlander Hybrid combines efficiency with Toyota's unbeatable hybrid system, making it one of the longest-lasting SUVs you can buy today. The hybrid drivetrain is the same technology that powers the Prius, a system that has proven itself for decades with unmatched reliability. Owners who stay on top of maintenance frequently see 250,000 to 300,000 miles without major repairs. The electric motors are built to last, and the gasoline engine runs under less strain because of hybrid assistance, which extends its life even further. Another strength is Toyota's conservative engineering approach. Instead of chasing extreme horsepower numbers, the Highlander Hybrid focuses on smooth, dependable performance. That means fewer stressed components and less wear over time. Combined with Toyota's long history of reliability, this SUV is a perfect example of a vehicle that can go the distance. And while the Highlander proves hybrids can last forever, the next vehicle shows how a workhorse truck can outlast almost anything when treated right. Number 4. Ford F-150. America's best-selling truck for decades also happens to be one of the longest-lasting vehicles you can buy. The Ford F-150 has countless examples on the road with 300,000 plus miles, and in 2025, it remains just as durable. The key lies in its variety of proven powertrains. While Ford offers newer hybrid and electric versions, the traditional V6 and V8 gas engines have long been known for durability when properly serviced. Fleet operators, construction crews, and small businesses often run F-150s for hundreds of thousands of miles, proving their reliability under tough conditions. Maintenance is crucial here. Trucks that are regularly serviced, especially with transmission fluid and oil changes, can outlast their competitors with ease. Parts availability is also a big factor. Since the F-150 is so popular, replacement parts are cheap and widely available, keeping costs low even as the miles climb. For anyone looking for a truck that can truly go the distance, the F-150 remains a rock-solid choice in 2025. Number 3. Lexus GX. If there's one luxury SUV that refuses to die, it's the Lexus GX. Built on a body-on-frame platform derived from the Toyota Land Cruiser Prado, the GX is essentially a rugged off-road SUV wrapped in luxury trim. That combination makes it one of the rare luxury vehicles that can easily surpass 300,000 miles. The secret lies in Lexus's reliability-focused design. The naturally aspirated V8 of older models was nearly indestructible, and even with the 2025 turbocharged hybrid V6, Lexus continues to prioritize durability over cutting-edge complexity. Add in Lexus's strict quality control, and you get an SUV that can handle daily commutes just as well as remote expeditions without falling apart. The GX also benefits from Toyota's massive parts network, which keeps repair costs lower than rivals like Land Rover or Mercedes-Benz. Owners who stay on top of maintenance, especially fluids and suspension, can expect the GX to last decades while still feeling solid and dependable. And while the Lexus GX shows that luxury can last forever, the next pick is a hybrid sedan that proves efficiency and longevity can go hand in hand. Number 2. Toyota Prius. The Prius has long been the punchline of car jokes, but here's the truth. It's one of the most dependable, longest-lasting cars ever built. Taxi fleets worldwide have run Priuses for hundreds of thousands of miles, and the 2025 version is even better. Toyota's hybrid system is unmatched in reliability. Unlike plug-in hybrids that add complexity, the Prius keeps things simple and durable. The gas engine runs at low stress thanks to electric motor assistance, which reduces wear and helps it last longer. The batteries themselves are also known to last well over 200,000 miles, and replacements are becoming cheaper if needed. On top of that, the Prius is inexpensive to maintain. It doesn't chew through brakes as quickly thanks to regenerative braking, and mechanics are deeply familiar with servicing it. Combine all of that with Toyota's reputation for engineering excellence, and the Prius can easily push past 300,000 miles with the right care. And finally, we close with a vehicle that embodies strength, simplicity, and staying power, the ultimate long-lasting SUV. Number 1. Toyota 4Runner. The Toyota 4Runner might not be the most modern SUV, but that's exactly why it lasts forever. Its old-school body-on-frame construction, naturally aspirated V6, and simple drivetrain make it one of the toughest, most reliable vehicles you can buy in 2025. The 4Runner is built to handle abuse. Off-roaders, overlanders, and families alike have racked up 300,000 plus miles on these SUVs with nothing more than routine maintenance. Unlike many modern SUVs that pack in complicated electronics and fragile turbos, the 4Runner sticks with tried-and-true components that rarely fail. Parts availability is excellent, resale value is sky-high, and Toyota's engineering keeps it dependable year after year. If you want a vehicle that will survive harsh winters, off-road trails, and decades of use, the 4Runner is in a league of its own. So there you have it, 7 cars in 2025 that can last 300,000 miles or more if you take care of them. From the rugged Toyota 4Runner to the efficient Prius and the luxurious Lexus GX, these vehicles prove that longevity is still alive in today's market. Now, I want to hear from you. Which of these long-lasting legends would you trust to hit 300,000 miles? Drop your pick in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss our next breakdown of the best and worst cars in 2025.